line goes all the way over here. There's my car. So mi gente, this is Randy G here with another video. It's really late right now, so I'm whispering, so I apologize if you can't hear me, but look at the thing. So, we got Switch 2 and stickers and a screen protector. So we're going to do a quick unboxing video. It's really late and it's just going to be setting it up. That's going to be a little time consuming, so let's just go ahead and do that. But I noticed some of the other YouTubers in their videos, the things that they didn't do, they didn't put a screen protector on first, and I'm like, you're already doing it wrong. So let's go ahead and start with that. Okay. Different glass. Let's see here. Peel off this mask before application. Okay, sweet. Here's the stuff. Alright, we're not gonna give our Switch time to get dirty, so we're not gonna need that. Here. Ooh. Ooh, that's nice. Alright, that's interesting. Blue Joy-Con, red Joy-Con. I apologize if you can't see that very well. I can't really see the camera angle, but here is the tablet. And we get a credit card. Always hate this part. Let's see. You can see me stress out about this. And then got this screen protector, but a lot of fingerprints. One air bubble, but that's okay. So that only took 8.5 minutes. Let's just go ahead and take a look at the rest of it. Switch2. Very nice. Oh, I love that. Red Joy-Con. Oh, it snaps really nicely. And then we're going to power it on for the first time. My cat's meowing in the background. Oh, it looks so good. Alright guys, so for the rest of the unboxing, it's just going to be some manuals, Joy-Con grip, power brick, cable, and the dock. So nice. There we go. And then this. These snaps are really responsive. It's very nice. Feels really good in the hand. Alright guys, I think that's about it for this unboxing video. Sorry if you couldn't hear me talking, but it's like 12 o'clock at night. It's 12:08. And then that's my cat crying in the background, banging on the door. So we'll go ahead and end it here. And I'm just going to do the setup process. And I'll check back in with the next video. See ya.